Bruchim habayim. In Shmuel Aleph Perek Gimel, we find the first failure, unfortunately, of Shaul HaMelech, one in which Shmuel enjoins of him after his war against the Plishtim to wait for him in Gilgal for 7 days. And the first question is, Gilgal, why particularly the area, the border between Yehuda and Binyamin? Well, if we look at the context of the Perek, we see that this is a very dangerous location. This is exactly where the Plishtim are standing to attack Am Yisrael. This is where Yonatan is going to initiate his battle against them. And perhaps that's what Shmuel wants to see. Is Shaul going to be able to remain steadfast as a king in inspiring the people, in remaining committed and a strong king who is hopeful and is confident that HaKadosh Baruch Hu will save him there? That's why Shmuel has Shaul go particularly to Gilgal. But that's not all he commands of Shaul. He commands of him to wait there for 7 days. And the question is, why 7 days? He is waiting to see whether or not Shaul can lead the people, can actually re-inaugurate even a place of Avodat Hashem in Gilgal. Just as the Mishkan was there for the first 7 years prior to Am Yisrael conquering the rest of the land, Shmuel wants to see whether or not Shaul is going to deliver the proper religious messages to the people. And that's why at the very end, when Shmuel is going to listen to the people and not to Hashem, is going to sacrifice the Karbonot before Shmuel arrives, Shmuel accosts him and says, Niskalta, lo shamarta et mitzvot Hashem Elokecha asher tzivach. What does Shmuel mean? Shaul did sacrifice. Shaul did wait there almost 7 days. And this parak, therefore, has numerous parallels with the story of חיכה העגל. Am Yisrael, just like in the story of חיכה העגל with Aharon, this time with Shaul, and are going to be led astray because Shaul doesn't wait, just as Aharon doesn't wait for Moshe. And that's why Shmuel accosts him and says, even if technically you offered Karbonot, this is not what Hashem wanted, and therefore they're not even considered as sacrifices to Hashem. Rather, they're more similar to חיכה העגל. I've given you an opportunity to continue the messages of belief in HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and instead, just like the story of חיכה העגל, you did not wait sufficiently, and therefore you transformed the context that potentially could have been one of religious inspiration to that of an aberration from Avodat Hashem.